Hi everyone, welcome to our new cybersecurity channel. Myself Saruchi and along with my friend Debashish, we have created this space to help you understand cybersecurity in the simplest and most practical way. From tools to techniques to real digital forensic workflows, we will be breaking everything down step by step. Hope you're gonna love it. Thanks. Alright, let's jump into today's topic, which is FTK Imager. If you're getting into the digital forensic, this is one of the first tools you will hear about. So, what exactly is FTK Imager? Simply, we can put as it's a forensic imaging tool which used to capture and preview data from storage devices like hard drives, pen drive, memory cards, or even specific folders. So, the main purpose of FTK Imager is to create a bit by bit forensic image, so nothing gets changed on the original device, and we can preserve digital evidence and to allow investigators to preview files, recover deleted data, and analyze directory structures safely.
Let's move into the demo part. This is the FTK Imager version 4.7.1.2. This is the very essential tool for investigating and analysis those data of evidence file, loose file, file integrity checking, hash generation, all those things related to the digital forensic and other kind legal evidence. So let's jump into that tool brief. These are the cool interface of FTK Imager. Let's move into the features and accessibility of the navigation toolbar. So this is the file. If you see in the file categories, lot of things is be present over here. So we are starting for creating a disk image. You might be wondering about that. What is disk image? Might be the copy bit by bit or sector wise. It's depend upon the choice what he wants to capture, the same copy of whole bit by bit, first sector to last sector, or particular chunk wise was data. So over this interface is the source. What source you need to choose for those evidence? If you're choosing the physical drive, it can take all my attached physical drive. It may be primary or the secondary. Mean to say, if I have two hard drives, one is SSD, another is SSD. So if I'm choosing the particular drive, it can taking from first sector to last sector. Mean to say of the physical drive. Move into the logical drive, it's taking particular inside the drive particular partitions. Just like V, C, something or D, whatever created after the NTFS file system or what are the file after the file system. Move into the image file. The image file has been already created as before, like L01, E01, EX01, AD1, Smart, Raw, DD, etc. If you do not have the image file, you want to explore the contents of folder excluded of the deleted on allocated clusters. Also, if you have old devices just like CD, DVD, you can able to do that one. For here, I'm just going to explain for the logical drive as this case. So let's move into the next. So I'm just going to choose B. Among the three, I'm just going to choose the B. The file system is NTFS. This is the image source. Already choose the image source. It is going to be particular V drive is going to be image, and here's the image destination. You just choose the image destination path. For this scenario, I'm just creating my own system so that I should give the other drive, not image source drive. Otherwise, it's going to be conflict. So if you see that raw, smart, easy one, AFF, you can also choose any of the things. So I'm preferably choose easier one. So you can make the case number. You can choose in anything for your reference or note purpose. Unique descriptions, same thing. Examiner name, put it anything as you like. Notes. So I'm going to choose the destination folder. You see the destination folders that I'm going to choose. I've already chosen the B drive for the source of this particular system. So technically I'm not choosing again that same drive. It is going to be conflict. So I'm going to choose the C drive. In the C, by default desktop is there under the C. So I'm creating one folder here. FTK B. You have to give the image file name, image extension without an extension. I've already chosen the extension as easier and as I showed you before. This is the chunk segmented. After this MB, it is going to be chunk, making the chunk fragmented wise. So as it is by default is that I'm not going to change, but you can able to change according to your requirement. So if you tick on the AD encryption is going to encrypt it. That is the different thing. So right now I'm not choosing. I'm going to finish this one. See, after the given the destination path, this is the source path of B drive. This is the destination of the C drive. Okay. If you see the verify image after created, two things is going to happen over here. If I'm wanting this one, whatever the post acquisitions, it is going to verify if I turn on this feature. Otherwise, not. So definitely is going to tick it, verify image after the created. Then next, pre-calculate progress statistics. Calculated of the statistics means how much time is going to be taken, or the reverse count is starting from after giving the pop-up. Create directory listing file images that are created. So it's giving the directory listings in the particular folder of the destination. So I'm going to tick this one and going to start. It's taking quite time, depends on the data size. See, it's on started. Whenever it is going to finish, then it is going to be giving the hash value. So as of now, it's my B drive is almost full. So it's taking a lot of time. Almost, if you see that is hours, and then it's coming to minutes or hours is. See, is the failure image created interpreted by the user. Then we want to set status over here. Image then 0 to finish has the or something else. Wait, see, these are the things well, I know that is if you don't know, after the some BB or MB is going to chunk it made. This is the calculation that whatever provided. This is all the byte per sector per count, basically right all thing with patience. Whatever the second have already it is going to the law. of all the activity over here along with the version. This is for the record purposes. So we're just moving to the next part of the APK. So going to the evidence item. If I'm choosing this one, similar kind of things again it's going to ask whether you want it to be choose this physical, logical, image or content of a folder. So I'm going to choose, and again that is the logical. You can able to choose as it is, as your choice. If you have the E01 or DCFLDD, DC3DD or DD raw smart E01, EX01, L01, LX01 extensor file format of the image, you can able to do that one. But as of now, I'm choosing the logical drive only. Next, again I'm going to chosen the B, similar thing. So it's created the evidence tree view. Tick this one. So plus symbol is taking load. So this is the three folders created. One is orphan root on allocated class space. Means the space is not assigned yet. The data is not resides over the on allocated space. They mean to say either the place is yet to be filled or the data is already deleted, and after that is going to be on allocated spaces coming moving into that part. So I'm going to the orphan. Orphan means there is a the file is not nothing is there. Either maybe it's going to delete it or something else. Over this case, the cross symbol is there. Mean to say this file is gonna delete it. This file I've already deleted as before. So if you see the file is gonna delete it, it is file is deleted from the file, but somehow it is gonna placed in any other sector of this hard drive or the of your system. So it is not visible, but somewhere else it is gonna placed unless until that place is rewrite, still you're gonna able to see the data. Unless until this is the gonna SSD. Over here definitely it is the SSD, but it is not trimmed. So this is the file is deleted. If you see the date modified, you can able to see the all the timestamp over here, date modified, file size is the regular file, something else, the file name. These are all the file has been already. This is the system file I deleted. So it is the cross mark means the file is gonna deleted. So jumping moving down, and let's try whether we can able to extract the deleted file or not. Let's try. It's taking so much time for loading. Sometimes it's taking time for loading. As you know, this is the open source, so might be taking some time, depends upon the system requirement. Yeah. See, these are the recycling files. Let's see. See, you can able to see some of the file over here. This is the path right now resides in that recycling path. The see the system identifier numbers And if you see the most of the file starting from dollar, you might be wondering about what is the symbol of dollar. That means to say this file is gonna delete it of the system, nothing else. These are the things you can able to see. Though file you can able to see over here, you can also export the file. Some of the file you can able to export because the header and footer are still present as of now. One of the reason you can able to recover the file, some of the file won't recover due to header footer is gonna missing. Either header is present or something else. Export the file. Let's try. I'm going to giving the path. Let's give in the same path as I created before. So this is the another file. I'm going to export. Okay. Let's try some PDF files. In the path. Exporting another PDF file for the trial and error whether we can able to see those files from deleted or path or not. Okay. Let's another we can choose that the orphan files. These are the system file, nothing but the system files. Let's move into the part. Whether I will see the file or not. See, this is giving the error. This is the one damaged. Means possibilities is fail over here. Going to the second one. See, the file is not file doesn't support the file. Second reason, and see you can able to export those files as you see. This is the file of dollar symbol. And you might wondering about that one of the question that is gonna occur that the file name is automatically changes or what? Because during the save I given the file name also, right? So in this image I given some other file. Why the file number is gonna change over here? 06U88. It depends on the systems. During the recovery, the file name might be anything. Anything. It is depends upon that whether it is going to be rewrite or whatever things given the system. Not you can't say that exact file name is going to whatever the file name is going to delete it. I should found after the recovery the same file name. No, you are able to get those data. Might be the possibilities can getting or not depends upon the scenarios. See, this is you can able to open this one. This is also going to delete it. $R. You can able to open this PDF. So let's move into the another part. This is the often protected files. The files is going to protect it from the users. That user can see the files even if the double click or right click and opens. These are the files of the system files. Can say the system files. We if somebody asks how to acquire the system files, only those files required, not exact whole image of particular system. So only it can capture those files also. So these are the options: minimum file for login password recovery or password recovery and all register files. I'm choosing that second one. Uh, Destination files path. Then giving the destination file path, giving the same one, and just click it OK. It's scanning the MFT and reading all these files, the system file present in the system. It's done. You can see the files over here. See, SAM security software systems and default. These are the 5 selected items we extracted from the protected files. Here's all about the FTK. If you want to learn more, then follow us.
So thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.